friends, I'm Dr. Sarita Jain, infertility specialist from Sikar, Rajasthan. Today I'm going to discuss with you a very common question asked by the couples who want to go for IVF, that is how much the IVF cost. As we all know, in India, approximately 15 to 20% of married couples suffer from infertility, and it's on increase because of certain conditions like urbanization, pollution, chemical exposure, stress, lifestyle, late settlement in life, more women opting for late marriage, increased incidence of diabetes and PID. Fortunately, many couples conceive with the simple treatments, but some of them cannot conceive with the help of simple treatment, and IVF is often seen as the most effective direct route to pregnancy for these couples, especially for those couples who want to start a family sooner than later, because simple medical treatment like clomiphene citrate, letrozole and IUI, while these are less expensive but can take longer and with less success rate, these simple treatments may not be an option at all for patients with certain conditions. IVF is becoming more popular, successful, and safer year by year. IVF stands for in vitro fertilization and it is also known as test tube baby. One of the first questions asked by the couples requiring IVF is how much does IVF cost? IVF cost depends on many factors. Cost varies from city to city and also from center to center. Average cost for one IVF cycle in India range from 1 lakh to 3.5 lakhs. The main reason why IVF is so expensive is because it requires many stages of preparation both before and after the treatment. We can break down the cost according to the stages of treatment. First stage is initial consultation, and this includes consultation fees, fees for USG and basic workup of husband and wife. Second stage is ovarian stimulation, and during this stage hormonal injections are given to increase the number of developing follicles. Third stage is egg retrieval, and in this stage eggs are retrieved, and after retrieval eggs are transferred to IVF lab where fertilization will take place. This step is done under anesthesia, and this step includes fees for embryologist, fees for anesthetist, and fees for IVF specialist, OT charges and charges for anesthesia, IVF lab charges and charges for disposables and culture media. Disposables and media used in IVF are single use, and these are very expensive, and these are imported. The main male partner's semen sample is taken, prepared and mixed with the eggs, and healthy embryos are chosen to transfer into the uterus. Last stage is embryo transfer. In this stage, finally the healthy embryos are transferred into the female partner's uterus, and after the 2 weeks of transfer, pregnancy test is done. Embryo left over from the initial fertilization can be frozen for the later use. Fan coating IVF cost to patients. Most of the clinics offer for a very basic IVF cycle that does not include many things that may be indeed required in order to do the IVF treatment. Most basic IVF packages include egg retrieval, sperm preparation, conventional IVF fertilization, and one fresh IVF transfer. Fertility medication and lab charges are not included by many centers. Average cost of IVF in India is between 70,000 to 2 lakhs, and average cost for ICSI is 1.5 to 3 lakhs. If donor sperms are used, then 10,000 to 15,000 charges you have to pay extra. If donor eggs are required, then you have to pay 35,000 to 50,000 extra. And cost of for FET you have to pay 15,000 to 25,000 extra. If laser assisted hatching is required, then you have to pay 10,000 to 20,000 extra. If blastocyst culture and transfer done, where blastocyst is cultured in lab for 5 to 6 days rather than 3 days, then it will cost 10,000 to 15,000 extra. Hysteroscopy if required to find out the cause of infertility and presence of any abnormality in uterus, then you have to pay 12,000 to 20,000 extra. If laparoscopy is required to treat cyst, endometriosis or hydrosalpingo, then you have to pay 20,000 to 30,000 extra. If surgical sperm retrieval is required in cases of azoospermia, then you have to pay 15,000 to 20,000 extra. Cost of the medicine will be around 60,000 to 80,000 extra. Lab test will be 5,000 to 15,000 extra. Whenever you ask for the cost in an IVF center, ask for complete package rather than individual things, and also always ask what is not included in the package. Ask about all hidden charges. In our IVF center, we have very simple, transparent policy regarding the cost of IVF procedure. Package charges in our center is very less than most of the other centers in India. Single cycle cost at our center is 1,20,000 to 1,40,000. When the patient is less than 30 years and normal responder, then we have package of 1,70,000 to 1,80,000 for 2 cycles. Package at our hospital automatically includes hormone test during ovarian stimulation and embryo transfer, injection charges, ICSI charges, blastocyst charges, freezing charges, laser assisted hatching if required, donor sperm and donor eggs if required. All these are included in package. Package at our center does not include initial blood workup of husband and wife, hysteroscopy and laparoscopy if needed, then it's also not included in package, and genetic testing of embryo and ERA testing is also not included in the package. If these are required, then you have to pay extra. That's how package at our center is completely transparent and cost effective. Along with the low cost, success rate of IVF is now quite high, and in women aged 21 to 30 years, it's up to 70% in single cycle at our center. The younger the women, higher the chances of positive result in IVF. Cumulative success rate of 3 or more cycle is above 80% at our center. As the woman ages, there is proportionate drop in success rate. So it's always better to go for IVF earlier rather than waiting for long period. If you have any query regarding the package IVF cost, you can call us or you can write in comment box. Thank you.
आर्यंत IVF, हम समझते हैं माँ बनने की खुशी का एहसास। हमारी विश्वसनीय IVF सेवाओं का लाभ उठाइए और अपने सपने को साकार करें। आर्यंत हॉस्पिटल एंड IVF सेंटर, लो कॉस्ट ट्रस्ट वर्दी IVF सेंटर, तापड़िया बगीची, सीकर। कॉल 8432 555 111।